Hello traders and investors, Chasing Stars here doing a video chart for ticker symbol GOHG. The last trading period was Friday, December 9, 2011. We are up 25% on a last of 0005 on a volume of 14,553,400. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and point out with this chart, as I always do, is up here at the top. We see the RSI. The RSI is trading at 72.68 and definitely approach and entering its way into the power zone. So that's always a plus and one thing that we like to look for as a momentum spike. I'm going to go ahead and throw my RSI line up here starting around here in the mid or actually beginning of August, and we see definitely a slight uptrend here with the relative strength index, so that's definitely a good sign here. As we move down in here to the candlesticks, the first thing that we're going to notice here is a parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR is definitely showing a bullish sign, so that's another good indicator. The next thing that we're going to look at here is support. We are definitely going to have support down here at the 0002 area. We see a little bit of touching of the ones, but definitely came back up and held the twos. If we look up here, our next support is going to be up here at the 0003 area. So we're going to definitely want to hold the number 2, but we are actually starting to make our way up after breaking through that 0003 area. Once we broke that 0003, we definitely see some trades up here forming around the 0005. And then, of course, we see a nice spike up here to the 0005 area. So if we look over here, we definitely see a nice little spike in volume. And what I really liked here, really stuck out, it did not take much volume here at all to get up to the 0005. So that is a real plus there in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and keep our support right here. Our first support is going to be right here around the 0003 with this blue line. This blue line actually indicates the 50-day simple moving average. As we move up, we're going to go ahead and look at our resistance levels right here at this red line. This red line is actually the 200-day simple moving average, so we're definitely going to want to keep an eye on that. In my opinion, once we go ahead and get past these fives, I think that we could definitely make our way up to that resistance lines at the 200, and once we get that 200, in my opinion, it's going to go up a lot quicker after that, especially once it gets out of the triples. So we're going to go ahead and keep an eye on the action through here. If we look down here towards the MACD, we definitely see a beautiful spread here, a very nice spread. So definitely keep an eye on that. And again, down here at the accumulation, we can see a lot here with the sideways trading. If we go ahead and put it together here, we can see that with the sideways tradings and the accumulations definitely started going up right there, and people are buying and holding shares. So that is another good sign to watch this accumulation rise along with the rest of the indicators. So again, I'm Chasing Stars. This is ticker symbol GOHG. If you're interested in joining my private email list, please send an email to investorshangout@gmail.com with add me in the subject. It's for educational and informational purposes, zero spam, and your email address will never be given out. I'll see you guys on the boards. Take care.